A geostationary satellite is orbiting the Earth at a height of 5 r above the Earth's surface, r being the radius of Earth. The time period of another satellite in hours at a height of 2 r from the surface of Earth is. So over here we can just consider that a geostationary satellite is at a height of 5 r above the surface. So we can say that from the center it will be at a distance that is equal to r. So we can write for this geostationary satellite the value of orbital radius, I am just taking it as r1, is equal to nothing but 6r, and time period of another satellite at a height 2r from the surface. So for another satellite 2r from the surface, or at a distance 3r from the center. So let's say for geostationary satellite time period is t1, and for the another satellite time period is t2, and we know that t1 is 24 hours. So we can find out what about the value of time period in second situation. So we can use that concept. Square of time period is directly proportional to cube of radius or cube of orbital radius, or you can write t is directly proportional to r raised to 3 by 2. So we can write the value of t2 divided by t1 is equal to nothing but r2 divided by r1 raised to 3 divided by 2. So the value of t2 divided by t1 we can take it as nothing but 24 is equal to r2 is nothing but 3r and r1 is nothing but 6r raised to 3 divided by 2. So this r over here and this r over here get cancelled. This is like 1 by 2. 1 by 2 raised to 3 by 2. So which we can take it as t2 is equal to 24 into this 1 by 2 raised to 1 by 2, which we can take it as 1 by root 2 raised to 3. So this we can take it as 24 into 1 by root 2 raised to 3 can be written as 1 divided by root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So this root 2 into root 2, which we can take it as nothing but 2. So this is 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2. So this 2 and this 1 get cancelled. We'll get as it is 12. So we can write as 12 divided by root 2. Further, this 12 can be written as 6 into 2 divided by root 2. And this 2 and root 2 get cancelled. So we'll get the answer as nothing but 6 root 2.